Someday he'll come along, the man I love, and he'll be big and strong, the man I love. And when he comes my way, I'll do my best to make him stay. He'll look at me and smile, I'll understand, and in a little while he'll hold my hand. And though it seems absurd, I know we both won't say a word. Maybe I will meet him Sunday, maybe Monday, maybe not. But I'm sure I'll meet him one day. Maybe Tuesday will be my good news day. He'll build a little home just meant for two, from which he'll never roam. Who would you? And so all else above, I'm waiting for the man I love. The man I love. Maybe I will meet him Sunday, maybe Monday, maybe not. One day, maybe Tuesday will be my good news day. He'll build a little home just meant for two, from which he'll never roam. Who would you? And so all else above, I'm waiting for the man I in place of love, I wanted money. In place of love, I wanted fame. In place of love, I wanted the lights and the wine. Now isn't it a crying shame? I got me nothing at all. I thought success was all that mattered, that tasting love was wasting time. I reached for the moon, ignored all the roses in June. Now isn't it a low-down crime? I got me nothing at all. What I'd give just to know I could live every moment again, over again. I'd fight for and cling to and let my heart sing to a love of my own, never alone. Is it too late to find a true love? Where is the maid who'll give me his name? Did I pass him right by when I was still flying too high? Oh, isn't it a low-down shame? I got me nothing at all, nothing at all. No, nothing at all. I got me nothing at all. No, nothing. I'm ready, willing, able, fit as a fiddle and ready for love. Ooh, I could jump over the moon up above. Fit as a fiddle, I'm ready for love. Having a worry, I haven't a care. I feel like a feather that's floating on air. Fit as a fiddle, I'm ready for love. Soon the church bells will be a ring-a-dinging, and I'll march right down the aisle. When those church bells stop a ring-a-dinging, oh, we'll be making whoopee with a great big smile. Hi diddle diddle, my baby's okay. Ask me a riddle, oh what did he say? Fit as a fiddle, I'm ready for love. Do 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 do. Fit as a fiddle, I'm ready for love. Do 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 do. Fit as a fiddle, I'm ready for love. I'm ready, willing, able. A chair is still a chair, even when there's no one sitting there. But a chair is not a house, and a house is not a home when there's no one there to hold you tight, and no one there you can kiss good night. A room is still a room, even when there's nothing there but gloom. But a room is not a house, and a house is not a home when the two of us are far apart, and one of us has a broken heart. Now and then I call your name, and suddenly your face appears, but it's just a crazy game, and when it ends in tears. Darling, have a heart, don't let one mistake keep us apart. I'm not meant to live alone. Turn this house into a home. When I climb the stair and turn the key, oh please be there, still in love with me. I can be happy, I can be sad, I can be good or I can be bad. It all depends on you. I can be lonely out in a crowd, I can be humble or I can be proud. It all depends on you. I can make money everything. It all depends on you. Everything I've got depends. Everything I feel depends. Everything I've got depends on you. My all depends on you. How does it feel to be the big, big wheel with all those women at your beck and call? I must admit I may have slipped a bit, but here's a filly who's too smart to fall. You came a long way from St. Louis. You climbed the ladder of success. I've seen those town and country cars that were parked out in front of your fancy dress. You came a long way from St. Louis. You broke a lot of hearts between. I've met that gang of gloomy gals who were doing all right till you came on the scene. You flew in from the Middle West and certainly impressed the population hereabouts. Well, baby, I've got news for you. I'm from Missouri, too, so naturally I've got my doubts. You got 'em dropping by the wayside, a feeling I ain't gonna know. You came a long way from St. Louis, but baby, you've still got a long way to go. You flew in from the Middle West and certainly impressed the population hereabouts. Well, baby, I got news. I'm from Missouri, too, and I got my doubts about you. You got 'em dropping by the wayside, a feeling I ain't gonna know. You came a long way from St. Louis, but baby, you've still got a long way to go. You came a long way from St. Louis, but baby, you've got a long way to go. So long. I'm wild about him, crazy about him, flipped about him. What I mean is I'm mad about the boy. I know it's stupid, but I'm mad about the boy. I'm so ashamed of it, but must admit the sleepless nights I've had about the boy. On the silver screen, he melts my foolish heart in every single scene. Although I'm quite aware that here and there are traces of the cat about the boy. Lord knows I'm not a fool, girl. I really shouldn't care. Lord knows I'm not a schoolgirl in the flurry of a first affair. If I could employ a little magic that would finally destroy this dream that pains me and enchains me, but I can't because I'm mad about the boy. Walking down the street, his eyes look out at me from people that I meet. I can't believe it's true, but when I'm blue in some strange way, I'm glad about the boy. Lord knows I'm not a fool, girl. I really shouldn't care. Lord knows I'm not a schoolgirl in the flurry of a first affair. If I could employ a little magic that would finally destroy this dream that pains me and enchains me, but I can't because I'm mad about the boy, sad about and now I'm low, and now I'm blue, and now I glow. The days are too long, the night's too sweet. It all depends on when we meet. Touch my hand and I go mad, then turn away and I go sad. I'm in love, what can I do? My mood is you. Now I laugh and now I cry. You clip my wings, then make me fly. You enter the room and stop my heart, and when you leave, I fall apart. Hold me close, I'm overjoyed, then let me go, and I'm destroyed. I'm in love, what can I do? My mood is you. I'm in love, what can I do? My mood is you. Which one shall I choose? I must choose one and lose one. Who'll be my forever man? 'Cause forever he'll be. Just wait and see. One is gentle and kind, and I'd find peace of mind, for his heart's not designed for other women. The other is vain, and he'd only bring pain, but his kiss sets my brain a-swimming. That's him in all his glory. Which one shall I choose? Here's that fork in the road now. Will I walk into the sun, or will it be the storm? Who'll keep me warm? Here's my moment of truth. What fate do I choose? It's sad to say, but either way, I in the still of the night, as I gaze from my window at the moon in its flight, my thoughts are straight to you. in the still of the night, while the world is in slumber, all the times without number, darling, when I say to you, do you love me as I love you? Are you my life to be, my dreams come true? Or will this dream of mine fade out of sight like the moon growing dim on the rim of a hill, in the thrill, 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 chill, chill, chill of the night, of the night, of the night, in the still of the To every sad little girl whose mirror is cruel, here's a song, little girl, I hope that you remember. A butterfly wasn't always a butterfly, with dancing wings in a shimmering summer sky. For when her life began, no joy did it bring, for a caterpillar's life was a lonely thing, as she spent her days hiding under a leaf, alone from the world, in shame and grief. But she knew there was more to life than this, and in a miracle metamorphosis, she spun herself into a shroud of gray, and slept and dreamed of that magic day. And lo and behold, when she awoke, it seemed to her an angel spoke. Awake, little princess, have no fear, we're lonely and we want you here. So she rubbed her eyes and looked at the sky and said, could it be that I can fly? And fly she did on gossamer wings, knowing she was one of the beautiful things. So sad, little girl, go and spin your cocoon, sleep for a while, then soar to the moon. On wings of a rainbow, it can happen soon. Soon, little butterfly, soon you will fly. Soon, little butterfly, soon. Move over, sun, and give me some sky. I've got me some wings, I'm eager to try. I may be unknown, but wait till I've flown. You're gonna hear from me. Make me some room, you people up there on top of the world. I'll meet you, I swear. I'm staking my claim. Remember my name. You're gonna hear from me. Fortune smile on the road before me. I'm fortune's child. Listen, world.